Hello guys, so this is question 42 and today we are going to solve part C of it, and after solving the part C for 42 we are also going to solve it for 43 as well. Okay, so the part C for the question 42 is here. So here we have A, B prime, C prime D plus AC D prime plus BC prime D plus A prime B C D prime. Okay, so these are the terms, and first of all I have to convert them to the standard SOP forms. So therefore I can see that here the domain I have is, domain variables are A, B, C and D. Okay, and here we can see that we have a deficiency of B and here we have a deficiency of A. Okay, so therefore multiplying here some terms, okay, here I have to multiply B plus B complement, which is equal to 1, and similarly A plus A complement. Okay, so let me write them here and I will get AB prime C prime D, okay, plus AC D prime, and with it I have to multiply B plus B complement to convert it to the standard term. Okay, similarly B C prime D, and with it I have to multiply A plus A complement. Okay, and the last term here is A complement B C D complement. Okay, so what are the steps here? I have to multiply this term with all the terms here and this with all the terms here and simplifying them. The simplified terms here are the A B prime C prime D plus A B C D prime, okay, and A B prime C D prime. Okay, similarly now multiplying this term here I will get A B C prime D, okay, A B C prime D, and here we have A prime B C prime D. Okay, and the last term here is A prime B C D prime. Okay, so let me look for all the duplicate terms. Here we have this first term, and is there any duplicate term for it? Let me see that. This is the first term, A B prime C prime. No, there is no duplicate term here. A B C D prime, A B C D prime, no duplicate term here. A B prime C D prime, A B prime, no duplicate term here. A B C prime D, no duplicate terms, and similarly all the terms here are unique here. So now to solve the question 43 here, what I have to do, let me write all the binary values for them. So these are the 4 variables, so let me write the binary values. So 1 0 0 1 for it, 1 1 1 0 for the second term, 1 0 1 0 for this term, 1 1 0 1 for it, 0 1 0 1 for it, and the last term here is 0 1 1 0. Okay, so these are the terms which we have seen here. So now let me draw the Karnaugh map here. So let me draw it here. Okay, as we have the 4 variables, so here I will have A B and here I will have C D. Okay, and writing the combinations here I will have 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0, and here also 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay, so now completing these cells, so completing these cells, what I will have, these are the cells. Okay, and then writing ones for all the binary values which we have got here. So 1001 is 1001 is here, so let me write 1 here. 1110 is 1110 is here. Okay, this term 1010 is 1010 is here. Okay, 1101 is 1101 is here. okay. 0 1 0 1 is here, 0 1 0 1, and 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0, that is here, okay. So these are the terms, writing all others equal to 0, okay. So these all other terms are zeros, okay. So after it, let me combine them in the form of the two variables. So therefore now here we have this 1 1, and the constant terms here are basically this b and what here, this cd, okay. So b c d complement is here constant, okay. Similarly here, what are the terms here? So again this cd prime is constant because this is the same column, and what is the constant term here? This is here a, so a c d prime, okay. Similarly here we have this term, okay, and here we have the constant term, this is 0 1, so c prime d, and here I also have this b constant, so b c prime d, and here, okay, what I will have here, again a is constant, so a, this is c prime d, okay. So these are the terms, so let me write them here. The simplified terms are a c prime d plus b c prime d, okay, plus b c d prime plus a c d prime, okay. So what is this? This is the simplified term which we have simplified by using the Karnaugh map here, and this is the solution for the part C in question 43. So that's it for today, in which we have solved these questions, and we have seen the solution of part C, and the part D is for your own practice. You can see that how to solve it and how to find the solution. So I will see you with some more interesting questions in our upcoming video. Till then, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon.